I'm Lincoln O'Brien. I'm a mechanical project engineer in the Research and Development Group at Waupaca Foundry. In the Research and Development Group, we design and build new machines that are doing things that are different than anyone else is doing, things that no one's ever done before. When you work in R&D, you're really building machines that are making sure that we're going to be competitive in the next 15, 20 years down the road. We take a design concept from an idea to installation. It's from start to finish. A lot of these ideas come from the floor. They come from people that actually run the machines and work on the machines. In the design portion of the project, we'll work with other engineers. We spend a lot of time at the whiteboard working on designs, and then we start taking it into actually making the 3D model. For our two-dimensional modeling, we use AutoCAD. All the three-dimensional modeling, we use Autodesk Inventor. For finite element analysis, we use a program called ANSYS. What finite element analysis programs do is let you see the results or see a real-life application of a model or an assembly or a process before you actually build it. From that program, you can test and design a concept without actually having to build the part and do it physically. Some of the key factors on designing new equipment are increasing efficiency, increasing quality, and we really want to increase our productivity and then cut down on any kind of scrap. Safety is basically our number one goal at the foundry. As we design new equipment, it's really important that we take safety into consideration in all aspects of the machine. Once your design is complete, then it goes to doing all the drafting, all the two-dimensional drawings and dimensioning and tolerancing. Once the drawings are complete and everything has been checked through, then you'll have to work with the different vendors and people that work and build your parts. Once the pieces are made, then our guys on the floor will assemble the pieces and build the machine right downstairs. We build for quality. We build the best equipment that there is in the industry. I think that says a lot about who we are. It says a lot about our company and our philosophy here. One of the projects that I worked on was designing a molding machine which makes rotors and drums in your vehicle. In this new technology, we basically make 2 molds at a time. This is something that's only done here at Waupaca Foundry. It's really fun to work with other people and brainstorm and work through those ideas and then to see it come to reality and see your machine that's making castings. The guys on the floor that work on the machines really appreciate when we make these improvements. From a young age, I've always wondered how things work, taking things apart, putting stuff back together, and working on motorcycles, working on cars. In high school, I had AutoCAD classes. I worked on drafting and design. After I was done with high school, then I went to University of Wisconsin-Stout, and my major was engineering technology, mechanical design. This is a 4-year program, very hands-on. Took a lot of courses in welding and casting, machining, robotics, vision systems. While I was in college, I did an internship here at the Research and Development Group, the same place that I work now. Through that internship and through meeting the people that I got to work with in the group, and it really became my ideal. By the end of the summer, I knew this is where I wanted to work when I was done with school. Anything that you can do that'll challenge you mechanically to think about how things work or to actually build things with your hands. Take the hardest courses that you can, take any advanced placement and get some of those college credits done while you're still in school. Any kind of mathematics or science is going to be used a lot in the engineering field. Waupaca Foundry has a philosophy to promote from within. In the engineering field, you have the opportunity to eventually someday be in an upper management position. Working at the Waupaca Foundry gives me the opportunity to be 15 minutes from home where I grew up and also do the career that it's a dream job. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I would say that this was my ideal job, and now I get to do it every day.